The B-2 is going to be at an altitude of about 500 to 1,000 feet as he comes by in his passes, so everybody will get a good look at the airplane as he comes by. He's going to be starting out coming from the southwest, from left to right in front of you as you're facing the runway. Just a few minutes from now. Approaching from your left is the United States Air Force's very own B-2 Spirit, flown in from Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri. The B-2 is air power at its purest, most elegant, and deadliest form. This aircraft cannot be denied access with its range, payload, precision, and stealthiness. It has everything that's required to hold any of America's enemies at risk, anywhere, anytime. This multi-role bomber is capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear munitions. Its combination of stealth, global range, and large payload of precision munitions place it at the foremost of air operations in defense of the United States. If you look toward the runway at this time, and to the left, you will see approaching the B-2 Spirit. And folks, right now, we're going to go to the cockpit and try to talk to the pilots of the airplane. Take it away. Spirit, can you read me? What a beautiful pass that is. There's a slate bank. Put your cameras on them right now. Okay, we're going to watch your second pass here. That's a beautiful shot right now for folks with telephoto lenses. You look beautiful out there. Well, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Dev 11. We're going to let you concentrate on the flight. Now we're going to tell folks a little bit about your airplane. Have a safe trip today. Thank you. Everybody have a good day. The B-2's unique properties make it ideal to kick down the door of enemy defenses, allowing follow-on friendly forces to operate with reduced risk. Put your eyes and cameras to the right as for the second approach of the B-2 Spirit. Against these blue skies. He'll be turning the aircraft around and coming by for one more pass before continuing on to his next performance at another air show. B-2 bombers led the way in the campaigns over Afghanistan and more recently in Iraq, where their accurate payloads of up to 16 2,000-pound bombs, their Joint Direct Attack Munitions, or JDAMs, were an integral part of the effort to remove the regime of Saddam Hussein from power. The B-2 carries a crew of 2 pilots, as you heard. It's capable of striking anywhere in the world, either by flying directly from its base in Missouri or by deploying to forward locations outside the United States. Coming in from the left for the third and final pass of the B-2. The B-2 holds the record for the longest combat mission in aviation history, 44 hours from Whiteman Air Force Base to targets in Afghanistan. Of course, refueling several times in flight for that record combat mission of 44 hours duration. Ladies and gentlemen, America's premier bomber, the B-2. Controllers looking at that airplane on the radar. If they should be so fortunate as to pick it out, it has the radar signature of a hummingbird. So in case there's some heavily armed hummingbirds out there, I'd say the B-2 has a pretty good chance of sneaking in under the radar. That means he flies very, very low, so the radar can't scan him. He doesn't need to do that. He can be up there at whatever altitude is necessary to accomplish the mission, because the radar can't find him when the signature is so tiny. The B-2 Spirit, right here.